What's the meaning of BCE? BCE. BCE.
BCE. BCE. BCE is an acronym for Before Common Era, a dating system used to refer to periods of time prior to the start of the current Western calendar system, which is based on the birth of Jesus Christ. BCE is often used in place of the traditional term BC, or before Christ, which can be seen as religiously biased. The use of BCE is a more neutral way of dating events and allows for greater inclusivity across cultures and religions. This dating system has become increasingly popular in academic settings, particularly in the study of history, archaeology, and anthropology.